Excel Scenario Manager is another advanced forecasting tool that can help your business with fast number crunching. So let's get started. This tool lets you create multiple what-if scenarios to make any decision-making process way easier. Since the holidays are coming up, let's start with a marketing budget for our business. In this example, we are looking on top at the company's overall budget and the current marketing expenses. For the holidays, we received 3 quotes from 3 different marketing agencies. Each one gave us an approximate expected revenue and their budget based on their marketing efforts. In this case, we need to identify the agency that will give us the highest profit margin. So we can use the Scenario Manager right here. Another reason that we're using this tool is that it gives us almost instantly a summary report that we can then share with the other departments. To start, click the Data tab on the main menu, and to the far right, choose the Forecast group. Right there, click on the What If Analysis and select the Scenario Manager. Let's go ahead and add our actual budget first, so we can compare what we have now versus what is estimated by each of the 3 marketing agencies. We need to assign a name, and in this case will be actual budget, for our first scenario. Click in Changing Cells, select the Revenue cell, press the Control key, and then pick the Marketing Budget cell. These are the 2 cells that will be changing for each one of the marketing proposals. Remember that the goal here is to find the right combination of marketing expenses and expected revenue so that we can come up with the highest profit. The values are already selected here. So now we're going to press OK, and then we can go back to the what if analysis. Now we can add different ones here. We're continuing on with alpha marketing. So here we're going to type alpha, click OK. Very easy. We're going to just plug in those values, 83,000 for the projected revenue, 6,500, name add. See, I'm not pressing OK yet because I'm continuing on. I have 2 more to go. So Rivero is next. Now I'm going to plug in those values for Rivero ads. Okay, and I'm going to add one more, which is Bravo Marketing. So very quickly, I'm typing my names. And once I click OK, this is my last one. I'm going to insert 87,000 and then 8,300. So now I can go ahead and see the list in my Scenario Manager. So here you can add new ones, delete, you can edit. Let's say that you want to make a change here. It's very easy. Click OK. See, I can even change those values. It takes you back to the list. Merge is very useful. Let's say that you have another proposals from, let's say, other departments. You can merge them here. We're not going to do that. We're going to cancel. Summary report, I'm going to show you very shortly. And then you have the show feature. Notice that as I press them, look how the numbers on the current budget are changing. So this is a quick way for you to view those values. And now I'm going to show you my favorite part, which is the summary report. And I'm going to actually pick the scenario summary, and there you go. So now I can see clearly all the values for my 3 marketing agencies. So I'm looking carefully at my results. Rivero ads, even though is the highest, notice the difference of the cost between Bravo and Rivero. Okay, so the profit difference actually is 300 between that one and the other. But look, the cost between those 2 is $1,200. So I'm paying $1,200 more in Rivero ads to gain $300 in profit. So those are the tools that Excel can help you with your decision-making process, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.